Assalamu alaikum to all of you. First of all, I have to introduce myself. I want to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Saika, and I have done my masters in English literature. I have been teaching at Light School City campus since 3 years. Today, I want to discuss about my favorite activity. There are many favorite activities like family time, like gardening, books, reading books, paintings, whatever. But the most favorite activities which I have to do at home and many times at the day is searching about the new things. Searching about the new things, new information, to gain new information. Actually, I have to concern with the literature. Mostly I read books and gain the knowledge from there and search about the new vocab, new things, and imply at myself. And then also when I teach the students, I also taught them about the new vocabulary, like new words, new stylistic things, and also as it is I also learn here about the soft skills, also employ that soft skills of the students, and new things which I learned from here and also apply that new things on that. So that is my favorite activity, and thank you so much.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you all. My name is Azka and I am student of BA Part 1 from GDCW Jipalpur, and my strength is my parents, my sisters and my teacher, and my weakness is that I can trust any type of people easily. And my short-term job is to become a good artist, graphic designer, and a good artist. And my long-term job is to become a CSS officer, inshallah. Anyhow, let's come to the point. Today, the topic of my discussion is about a poem, Leisure. This is a poem written by William Davis, and he is playing the role of a criticizer in this poem. On what point he criticizes the people? He criticizes the people that he is continuously work for day and night for earning the money. After studying this poem, a question raised in my mind that what is the life if we have no time to stand and stare? For what we have no time to stand and stare, to see the natural beauties and for enjoyment of ourselves. So to overcome this, so
यहाँ से दोबारा स्टार्ट कर लेंगे, वो कट कर लेंगे.
Acting कर दो ना.
for overcome this, at the end, I suggest all of you.
दोबारा बोलिए.
At the end, I suggest you to no.
नहीं कंक्लूजन करो ना, एंडिंग करो. बस ये कह दो ना, इन द एंड आई सजेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू दैट वी कैन take some time for ourselves and to observe the nature.
At the end, I suggest to you that please take some time for yourself, for enjoyment, and to see the natures of the beauty.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Huma Manzoor. I passed my graduation back in 2017 from Sargodha University. I have done my masters in literature, and since the time of literature I was fond of reading books. I got inspiration of reading from my teachers, and one of my teachers inspired me the most to read books. When you read literature, or when you are addicted to literature, it's usual to grasp a habit of reading books. So the habit of reading books developed in me back in literature when I was a student of literature. So after that time, I just got this idea, and there was a kind of pleasure that I feel in reading books. After reading that literature books, I kept on reading. The most of the time, when I get free in the evening, I love to read Rumi. He's a mystic writer and poet as well. Back in 2019, I read one of his books, 40 Rules of Love, and that was a very inspiring book. I really got an inspiration from the book, and after that, I just got a habit of reading Rumi and Shams of Tabriz. Currently, I'm reading stories and fables from Rumi. Except Rumi, I used to read mystic books and fictions. My favorite fictional book which I have ever read is The Silent Question. I would refer all of you to study that book. That is very a splendid story. And why we read books and why is it so pleasurous and why is it so exciting? I think that is so because the pleasure we feel in reading books is nowhere exists. We can never find such a pleasure and such a catharsis what we get from reading books. So I just love to read more and more fictional books, and I often prefer to read poets like Mulia Shah and Shah Hussain and Baba Farid. They are all Punjabi Sufi poets, and I just love their poetry. So I have just told about reading books and which is my favorite activity. So I just have learned lots of things from reading these books, from the poets, from the readers, from the novelists, from the short story writers, and as literature is called a depiction of life. What we read with books, from books, we can see that actually in our culture, in our society, and we learn about our society much more from the book than interaction with the people. So I would just refer you all to read more and more books to develop yourself, to groom yourself, and to get more and more information, knowledge, and to be skilled. Thank you so much.